These are Wados boot cut high-rise jeans I was sent to review. They are so comfy, really nice quality. These are a little big, but I like them roomy rather than skin tight. So I usually wear like a 6 to 8 or medium pants. I'm 5'8". These are the 42 size 9. So again, slightly big, super comfy, really nice and dark, slightly faded in the thighs. Nice copper button here, a true button. It's not an elastic waist, it's a true waist with loops all around. So great for wearing with a belt. You've got 2 nice big pockets, another little mini, and then on the back, 2 really nice pockets back here. There is the bootay, nice fitted, again, like really, really stretchy, nice, comfortable jeans. And they are boot cuts, so let's throw some boots on. So here we are with like a huge Ugg type boot. Totally fits over, and then here we have kind of a ankle kind of boot. Works with both of those. Totally. Love the boot cut there. Works with boots just as well as flip-flops, flats, heels, you name it. I'm 5'8", and this is where they kind of hit me with flats on. And they go right up high. My belly button is like here. I kind of call anything that hits at or around the belly button or above, I call a high rise. So I would say they are a true high rise. Not tummy controlling, or not when you size up anyway. Super cute, super comfy. I love these. If you're looking for a great pair of comfy, cute, high-rise bootcut jeans, these are amazing from Wados. I love them and I know you will too.